Hey, real quickly, we want to talk a little bit about us submitting written work, okay? Because in many of the instances, you are going to be required. It's not just multiple choice questions, particularly for a course like this. Most of the work you're going to be submitting, you're going to be doing via a link that you created from items that you've placed in your Google folder. So step 2 is to create your Google folder, which now you would have a blank folder similar to this. And then when you are actually in an assignment, this is what an assignment looks like. But when you're asked to submit something, okay, so you would click on that, and you're going to see this Add Submission button, and which will then open and it'll provide you some directions on what your assignment is meant to do. So sometimes those assignments will just say create a Google Doc or that sort of thing. And when you do that, the easiest way of doing that is actually going to your folder, the folder that you created for this course, and clicking on the new button and going down and clicking Google Docs, right? Now create a Google Doc that is already in this folder for you, okay? So that's the easiest way of just sort of starting a new doc, right? Every once in a while, though, and particularly in this course, there are some items where we've created templates for you to use. Rather than creating a document from scratch, you will actually use the template that we provided. And so in this instance, there is a template right here under this link. So when you click on it, you're going to be asked to make a copy of the document, okay? And so when you click on this Make a Copy button, okay, it's made a copy, okay? And then what you do from here is that you're going to move it into your folder. So you're going to come up here, you're going to see this button up here that says Move, and when you click on it, you're going to find the folder that you want to put this document in, which happens to be this one in this instance, and you're going to click the Move button, okay? And once you've done that, when we go back here to this folder, you're going to notice that that item is here, okay? So now once you've actually worked in that document, you've created everything, blah, 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 you actually done the assignment, okay? You are going to be able to then share that document link in the assignment itself. So when you come down here at the bottom of this page, you're going to see an open text, online text area, and you're literally just going to this is where you're going to put the link to the document that you've been working on. So in this instance, there are 2 ways that I'm going to share with you to get that link. The first of which is from this folder, where you're going to come up here and click copy the link, okay? And once you've copied the link, okay, you can do that there, or when you're over here, you can actually come over here and you're going to see, the share item here, right? And you're going to hit the copy link here, okay? But once you've done that, you're going to then be able to come back to your assignment and literally just, you're going to be able to paste, Control V, if you hit Control V, you're going to have pasted that link into the submission area. And once you hit Save Changes, you will have submitted your assignment. Okay, so that's how you submit an assignment when it's a written assignment, or any other assignment that you're going to place in your Google folder. That's how you forward it on to Mr. Martino and me. Okay?